Coastal line. This was done in 2014. Respected Talatala, the chiefs of Nanara, Your Excellency, the Ambassador of the Government of the Republic of Korea, Mr. Kim, the Vice President of Fijian Industrial System Company Limited, Mr. Yang, Honorable Vijayanath, Assistant Minister, Commissioner Eastern, Permanent Secretary, delegates and government officials, the people of Nanara, ladies, gentlemen and children. Nisambula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be here this morning at this groundbreaking ceremony in Nanara, Kadavu. At the outset, I wish to thank the chiefs and the people of Nanara for the traditional welcome ceremony, Vinaka. We are all here today to celebrate the laying of the new foundation for the people of Nanara village and also re-strengthen our continuous relationship between the government of the Republic of Korea and government of Fiji. In 2014, the government of the Republic of Korea, through Korea Institute of Energy Technology and Planning and Fijian Industrial Systems Limited, approached the government of Fiji to enter into a new partnership program. This was after a series of studies that were undertaken here in Kadavu to select the best site. And I wish to thank Fijian Industrial Systems Limited for taking up the initiative to fully finance this study that was carried out. Ladies and gentlemen, the Nanara Mini Grid Solar Power Project is a unique project as it is one of the first government co-financed solar mini grid system that is installed with the energy saving system. The ESS will ensure the storage of enough energy power so that the grid can provide power on a 24/7 basis all year round. The total cost of $1.5 million was funded by the government of Korea along with Eugene, while the government of Fiji will be contributing around Fijian 500,000 in this project. This project has the potential to create new opportunities to the community of Nanara, especially to our school children. The construction of this new infrastructure is the first ever in Fiji by the government of the Republic of Korea through Korea Institute of Energy Technology and Planning with Fijian Industrial System Limited. The Nanara mini grid system will provide power to around 270 people here. I'd been told last night by His Excellency that now you can even use iron and freezers. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji first government believes that in creating a better learning environment, we need to build a better Fiji. This is because such projects are beneficial for our children, who are our future. One day they will be entrusted with running our business, schools, and the nation itself. And this morning, while I'm here in Nanara, I would like to urge the people of Nanara to judge the development that's happening in Kadavu by yourself. Don't be misled. See for yourself what's happening in and around you. It's so sudden that all these years you didn't have these facilities. And I'm happy to say that now you will have that facilities under the Fiji Affairs Government. Any effort to get us more connected as Fijians is a step in the right direction, whether it is through telecommunication, water, roads, or electricity. Connectivity brings an opportunity. While we were coming here, the commissioner was with us, and equally he is also concerned of the roads that we have. And we have assured him that we will do the roads as well. With me is the Permanent Secretary and the Assistant Minister, and we will make sure that you have good roads as well. With those few words, Your Excellency, the chiefs and the people of Nanara, now we will proceed with our groundbreaking ceremony, and I would like to invite our friends from Korea to accompany us to the project site to do the honors. Thank you and Binaka. Okay. Naka.